today I'm going to build the Lego Friends Dog Treats Bakery set. So this is a bakery where we make treats for dogs. So let's see, we don't have a lot of Legos here. So we just have 3 bags of Lego and we have 2 guidebooks over here. So 1 and 2, and we've also got some cute stickers over here. So first, this is Alia. There's nothing new about her clothes. We already know them very well. So this is Alia, and she doesn't have any belongings. And the next doll is Sage. So she's Nova's sister, if you don't remember. And so far we have about 3 Sages, which is quite a lot actually. And she's wearing a very nice pink cowboy hat, and I love her clothes. So this is Chip. And Chip and Sage, they're wearing the same hats. The size is different, but it's the same hat. And this is Frenchie, and Ara. They're also wearing the same hats. And that is Waffles. So now we've made all the dolls, and let's start building this dog treats bakery set. So, okay, first we're going to make the menu stand over here. So menu, and so they're selling like dog biscuits and dog bones and also a coffee over here. And so now we're building the bakery. Yeah. So okay, my voice sounds kind of weird as if I have colds. I don't have colds, so I don't know why my voice sounds weird, but anyway. There are floor tiles now, beige and brown colored floor tiles. So this place is actually quite smaller than I expected, but anyway, we have also a big window over there. And this pink one is very cute. So this one is like door for dogs. You know, it's very nice and cute. And there's also a window over here. I'm going to put a sticker. So dog treats bakery sticker. And the pink one is the main door. So this door is for like people. And this one is the cutest detail in this set. So it says like cats are not allowed because you know this is a dog treats bakery. Isn't it just so cute? Maybe Lego will make like cat treats bakery soon or something. That also sounds nice. But I think they won't because, you know, Lego only has dog biscuits. They don't really have a cat's biscuits. So, but I guess it's possible. But, you know, Lego Friends, there's the cat hotel. And there is no dog hotel. So I guess it's like, you know, it's the same now. So now it's fair. So in the sticker, we have a photo of Frenchie. Frenchie. I think this is actually quite an interesting name because it's kind of like French, but it's kind of different, like Frenchie. Yeah, kind of like that. Frenchie. I don't know. It's kind of complicated. It's the most interesting nickname I've ever heard of. So anyway, what's also interesting about this set is that we have pink dog bones. Can you imagine a pink dog bone? Maybe it tastes kind of like strawberry or something. So we have a dog bone and a lot of dog biscuits and some cookies. So I think this one is kind of like for the owners, I think, you know, not for the dogs. So over here, this is the cash register, and guess what? The card color has changed. Because before I think it was like blue or something, but now it's gold color. So that is also a very nice change. And this one is kind of like a little cart to like move the dogs around the place. So this also looks very nice. It's bright orange color and we have bright green wheels. Very colorful. So over here, so Sage can like grab the handle like this, and we can put the dogs at the back, and this is how we can move them easily like this. Very nice and cute. And thankfully, this set is a bit bigger. I thought that part was going to be the end, and I was surprised by the size. Like, why is it so small? But thankfully, it's a bit more bigger. So this one is a coffee machine, and it actually looks very nice and cute. So there's a lot of bright colors in this set, so it's very bright. So the coffee machine is blue color. That's a very interesting color for a coffee machine actually, because coffee machines are actually like black or like silver color or something like that. So we have an oven, and inside we have a dog biscuit and a donut. So okay, over here it looks very nice, and over here we also have a refrigerator. So we have like a soda and some milk inside over here. There you go. It looks very nice. So outside is there's also a place for people to eat their food, like a dining table. So it's a small space, but there's a lot of things to do. If you ask me, the design of this set looks a bit more like a restaurant than a bakery, but it's actually quite nice. So okay, we have pink big windows, two big windows, and also a door, like a transparent door over here. This looks very nice, it looks like a very cozy, like a cafe. And this one is the sign that shows this store is open or closed. So if it's the sun, it means it's open, and if it's the moon, it means it's closed. So over here we also have some things to clean the place, like kind of like a brush or like a broom or something. So if you ask me, the inside looks like a cafe and the outside looks like a restaurant. Like these things, it really looks like a restaurant, like a small restaurant or something. It really looks like a restaurant. Okay, so we put some orange colors. So yeah, over here like this. And this is how the dogs can climb up to their chair. So the dog's chair is much bigger than the ones for the humans. humans. And there's also like a fire, what do you call that? Fire extinguisher? No, not extinguisher. What do you call that? Fire, oh yeah, so it's fire hydrant. Yeah, but it's orange color. Have you ever heard about a fire hydrant that's orange color? This is very strange. I mean, it should be red. I mean, who makes it orange? I don't know. Maybe there is a orange fire hydrant. No, I've never seen one, but anyway. Okay, so now we're going to make the roof. So like I told you, this set is so colorful, like orange, green, blue, pink. There's so many colors. So the roof is very bright, blue color. So it's actually very, like eye-catching colors. It's very bright. So we have to make two of them. It looks nice, but I think Lego used like too many colors, but it looks nice, but maybe they should have controlled a little bit their colors. But you know what? When it's finished, it all looks kind of nice. But maybe they should have get rid of the green color. I feel like it's too much. So anyway, there's the logo of a dog drinking coffee and eating biscuit. That is very cute. So this set is finished. So like I told you, the inside looks like a cafe and the outside looks like a restaurant, kind of like a Japanese restaurant. I don't know. It kind of looks like that. So anyway, it looks very nice. And of course, like we always do, we should start playing with it set. So what are we waiting for? Let's start playing. So okay, Alia arrived at the cafe. No, the Dog Treats Bakery. Hello, Sage. Oh, hi, Alia. Are you ready to do some work? Yep. So first, can you change the thing to the sun, not the moon? Oh yeah. Thanks a lot. So are we open now? Yeah, of course. When it's sun, that means we're open. Yeah, that's right. Oh, we've got our first customer. Oh, hi, Leanne. Hi, Sage. Long time no see. We had such a good time playing in the beach resort set, remember? Yeah, of course I remember. That was last year's summer, wasn't it? Yeah. I didn't know that you opened a bakery over here. Yeah, I recently opened it. So, what do you recommend, Alia? Our signature is the strawberry flavored dog bun. Oh, that's interesting. I think Frenchie would love it. Oh, you have a dog? It's not my dog, it's my neighbor's dog. I'm looking after him. Oh, I see. So, a strawberry dog bone, and what would you like, Leah? I would like a cup of coffee, please. Okay, thank you. So you can wait outside and sit down over there. Ah, okay, there's also a place to sit down. This place is actually quite nice. Yeah, of course it is. And I think Frenchie cannot wait to try the new dog bone. Yeah, he's gonna totally love it. Come on, Frenchie, climb up. Can we open these doors? Yeah, sure. It's actually quite awkward because we can like see you guys. Yeah, it's not awkward because we're friends, but if it's someone that we don't know, I think it's gonna be quite funny. Okay, so pink dog bone for you, Frenchie. And wait, this is the cup of coffee for you, Leanne. Ah, thanks. Oh, wait, I dropped it. It's actually very nice. I like these sort of coffee. Yeah, I know, it's actually very nice. This is really funny. Okay, so, do you like your dog bone, Frenchie? I think he does. Yeah, of course he does. It's our signature menu. Yeah, who doesn't like strawberry dog bones? Of course, everybody likes it. Can I have one more cup of coffee, please? I think you won't be able to sleep tonight, Leanne. That's okay, it's only in the morning. I can drink a lot of water today and I'll have a good night's sleep. I hope so. But you know what, Sage? I'll give you some feedbacks. I think you should make some more place for people to sit down. I mean, what would happen if you have more customers? They won't be able to sit down. Yeah, but that's not as easy as you think, Leanne. This bakery is very small. So I think people should do more, like pickups. Hi, guys. Oh, what brings you here, Zach? I'm looking after my neighbor's dogs. Oh, I see. What would you like to order? What do you recommend? We recommend the pink dog bone. How about something else? How about 2 dog biscuits? Okay, that also sounds nice. This is also one of our signature menus. Okay, great. I'll wait outside. Okay, so now we have to heat up the dog biscuits. So wait, let's remove this one. And let's put this donut out and put some more dog biscuits inside so that we'll be able to heat up 2 dog biscuits. Over here like this. And I'll turn on the timer. There you go. Perfect. You just have to wait for a little while, Zach, and your biscuit would be ready. Do you want something for yourself, Zach? I mean, not for the dogs. I'm okay. I just need 2 biscuits. Okay. Now I'll pay for our food. 2 cups of coffees and 1 pink dog bone. Okay, you can pay over here, Leanne. See you next time. Bye-bye. See you at school. I love your bakery. Thanks, Leanne. Bye. Come on, Frenchie. Oh, your biscuits are ready, Zach. Now they're all nice and warm. There you go. Your neighbor's dogs would totally love it. Yeah, I hope so. Thanks for the biscuits, Sage. Can I, sit down here? Of course you can. But you know what, Alia? I think Leanne's right. I think we do need some more chairs because every customer wants to sit down. But the problem is we don't have enough space to make more chairs. This is a big problem. Yeah, it's gonna be okay, Sage. They can just do some pickups. Okay, I guess so. Come on, Churro. Whoa. Leo, there's a sign that says cats are not allowed. I didn't see any signs. Go back outside. So there's this sign in the door. So cats are not allowed. Wait, I didn't see any signs. This is a dog treats bakery, Leo, not a cat treats bakery. But this is Churro's face. You're using my cat's face in your restaurant. I mean, your bakery. No, I mean, who would know it's Churro? It's just a white cat with orange spots. It's not fair. Churro also likes dog biscuits. Come back next time with some other dogs, Leo. Not with Churro. Come on, Churro. Shh. Don't make any sounds. She would not know it's us. I love your disguise, Churro. Hello. What would you like, mister? Is there any menu for cats? Why do you ask that? Oh, no, it's nothing. How about, what do you recommend? We recommend the very special pink dog bone. It tastes like strawberries and apparently dogs just love it. How about just a dog biscuit? Okay, sure, a dog biscuit then. Do you want one dog biscuit or two dog biscuits? I would like one dog biscuit and also a cup of coffee, please. Okay, your biscuit will be ready in just a little bit of time. What's your dog's name, mister? Doggy. His name is Doggy. Oh, I see. Doggy would love the dog biscuit. Yeah, thank you. I would like one cup of coffee and a chocolate chip biscuit, please. Oh, sure. Wait a sec, please. Here's your cup of coffee, mister, and this is the dog biscuit for Doggy. Yeah. Oh, wait. Is it a cat? No, it's Doggy. My dog likes to wear cat costumes. Oh, okay. Wait, so now I will warm up the chocolate chip biscuit. Sage, what are you doing? I mean, I'm doing all the work right now. I'm cleaning this bakery. Cleaning is also a very important thing, you know. Yeah, of course it is, but I feel like I'm doing all the work. No, of course not. I'm also doing the work. Okay. Oh, hi, Leo. And oh, is that your cat, Churro? Did you say cat? Wait, is that you, Leo? No, it's not me. See you tomorrow at school. Come back here, Leo. Hey, what about my coffee and my chocolate chip cookie? So that was the end of the playing, and I hope you enjoyed it. So the dogs are very cute, and I especially love the sticker with Churro. And I love the phone with the golden card on it. That's very nice. And Sage's new clothes are nice too, and I also love her new hairstyle. So there are small like stairs so that the dogs can climb up to the kitchen table. I'm not so sure if that's very clean. I mean, dogs on top of the kitchen table, but it's very cute, and I also love the logo. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So this is the end of the video, and I'll come back with other Lego videos. So see you next time. Bye bye.